Top 10 Most Luxurious Mansory SUVs. Number 10. Mansory BMW XM, a commanding SUV that fuses BMW's high-performance DNA with Mansory's extreme luxury craftsmanship. Draped in a bold matte black finish with striking turquoise accents and forged carbon details, the XM instantly stands out on screen. It features a redesigned front bumper with aggressive air intakes, a sculpted hood with functional vents, and sleek side skirts that flow into a muscular rear diffuser. At the back, a carbon fiber bumper, integrated quad exhausts, and a sculpted tailgate complete its intimidating stance, while 23-inch forged wheels underline its road presence. Mansory crafted only 12 units of this exclusive build, making it a true collector's piece. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of bold bespoke luxury. Diamond-stitched turquoise blue leather seats dominate the interior, perfectly matching the exterior accents and standing out clearly in the footage. Contrast stitching, hand-finished carbon fiber trim, and immersive ambient lighting elevate the atmosphere, while Mansory branding on the steering wheel, pedals, and door sills reinforces the custom feel. Under the hood, a tuned V8 engine produces 740 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque, launching the XM from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. With a price tag of $350,000, the Mansory BMW XM delivers extreme performance, bold design, and unmistakable exclusivity. Number 9. Mansory Mercedes G-Class G63. Finished in a stealthy matte black with forged carbon accents, this SUV commands attention from every angle. The front sports a redesigned bumper with integrated LED lighting, a vented carbon hood, and widened fenders that give it a dominant road presence. Flowing along the sides are muscular skirts that lead to a rear carbon diffuser, quad exhausts, and an illuminated spare wheel cover mounted on the tailgate. Massive 24-inch forged wheels complete the aggressive stance. Mansory limited production to just 8 units per variant, making this G63 a rare collector's piece. Inside, the cabin is transformed into an ultra-luxurious environment. Diamond-stitched purple lavender leather seats with vibrant orange accents, hand-finished carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and Mansory branding on the steering wheel, pedals, and door sills elevate every detail. Every surface is meticulously crafted to create a truly bespoke atmosphere. The twin-turbo V8 is tuned to deliver 820 horsepower and 1,150 Newton meters of torque, accelerating this luxury SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.0 seconds. With a price tag of $600,000, the Mansory G63 isn't just a G-Class. It's a statement of power, prestige, and exclusivity that few will ever experience. Number 8. Mansory Range Rover SV. The Mansory Range Rover SV brings a perfect blend of British luxury and aggressive customization. Draped in a menacing matte black with forged carbon accents, its redesigned front apron features bold air intakes, while subtle hood vents add a sporty touch. Sculpted side skirts flow seamlessly into a rear carbon diffuser, complemented by dual exhaust outlets and a bold rear bumper that commands attention from every angle. Massive 24-inch forged wheels complete its striking stance. Mansory produced only 10 units, ensuring exclusivity for this SUV. Step inside and the cabin is transformed into a bespoke sanctuary of comfort and style. Diamond-stitched black and white leather seats immediately stand out, creating a clean yet ultra-luxurious contrast. Hand-finished carbon fiber trim, immersive ambient lighting, and Mansory branding across the steering wheel, pedals, and door sills elevate the interior to a level of refined exclusivity. Every detail is crafted for elegance and individuality. Under the hood, a supercharged V8 delivers 750 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque, propelling the SV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Priced at approximately $550,000, the Mansory Range Rover SV perfectly blends off-road capability, commanding performance, and bespoke luxury. Number 7. Mansory Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Finished in a deep gloss black with forged carbon highlights, it boasts a vented carbon hood, an aerodynamic front splitter, and sculpted side skirts that flow into a dramatic carbon rear diffuser with quad exhaust outlets. A roof-mounted spoiler adds a sporty flair, while 23-inch forged wheels enhance its bold stance. Mansory produced only 9 units, making this Turbo GT an extremely rare SUV. Inside, the cabin combines Porsche precision with Mansory's bespoke touches, Alcantara and premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and Mansory branding on the steering wheel, pedals, and floor mats create an ultra-luxurious environment. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V8 churns out 760 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, rocketing the SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Priced around $420,000, the Mansory Cayenne Turbo GT delivers supercar-level performance with unmatched style and exclusivity. Number 6. Mansory Aston Martin DBX 707. Finished in gloss black with bold green accents and forged carbon details, it features a vented carbon hood, widened fenders, and an aggressive front splitter that instantly demands attention. Sculpted side skirts lead to a carbon rear diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a roof-mounted spoiler, creating a powerful and athletic stance. Mansory crafted only 8 units, ensuring exclusivity for this elite SUV. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of bespoke craftsmanship. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, exposed carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and Mansory branding on the steering wheel, pedals, and door sills elevate every detail. Beneath the hood, a twin-turbo V8 produces 800 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, allowing the DBX 707 to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Priced at approximately $300,000, the Mansory DBX 707 is a perfect fusion of British luxury, extreme performance, and rare exclusivity. Number 5. Mansory Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first ever SUV elevated to extreme luxury and performance. Finished in a striking vermilion red with forged carbon accents, it features an aggressive wide-body kit, enlarged air intakes, and a vented hood that amplifies its sporty presence. The rear is equally dramatic, with a carbon fiber diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a 2-piece roof spoiler that enhances both aerodynamics and style. Mansory produced only 7 units, making this Purosangue one of the rarest luxury SUVs on the planet. Inside, the cabin is a feast for the senses. Ivory leather upholstery with red contrast stitching, quilted Mansory seats, hand-finished carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and Mansory branding throughout create an environment of pure bespoke luxury. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12, producing 755 horsepower, propelling the SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds. With a starting price of $800,000, the Mansory Ferrari Purosangue seamlessly blends Ferrari's performance heritage with Mansory's extreme craftsmanship and exclusivity. Number 4. Mansory Bentley Bentayga. Finished in a deep dark blue paint with forged carbon accents, this Bentayga delivers a refined yet commanding presence. The redesigned front bumper features enlarged air intakes, while the sculpted hood adds a subtle sporty edge. Along the sides, sleek skirts enhance its profile, and the carbon fiber side fender vent trim adds a sharp, performance-focused detail. At the rear, a muscular bumper, carbon diffuser, and quad exhaust outlets complete the aggressive look, all riding on massive 24-inch forged wheels. Mansory produced only 10 units, making each Bentayga a rare and highly coveted masterpiece. Step inside, and the cabin showcases craftsmanship at its finest. Premium leather upholstery with diamond stitching, hand-finished carbon fiber trims, immersive ambient lighting, and Mansory branding on the steering wheel, pedals, and floor mats transform the interior into a bespoke luxury sanctuary. Under the hood, a tuned twin-turbo V8 delivers 770 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, launching the Bentayga from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Priced at around $500,000, the Mansory Bentley Bentayga perfectly blends timeless British elegance with Mansory's extreme luxury and high-performance engineering. Number 3. Mansory Audi RS Q8. Finished in a stealthy matte black exterior, the SUV looks menacing from every angle. Forged carbon elements dominate the design, including the redesigned front bumper with enlarged air intakes, a vented carbon hood, and widened fenders that give it a bold road presence. Along the sides, sculpted skirts enhance its muscular profile, flowing into a carbon rear diffuser at the back, paired with quad exhaust outlets and a sporty rear bumper. Massive 23-inch forged wheels complete the aggressive stance. Mansory produced this RS Q8 in extremely limited numbers, making it a rare and exclusive build. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a striking contrast. The interior is dominated by vibrant yellow leather seats, instantly grabbing attention, while black leather and Alcantara trim balance the design with a sporty edge. Exposed carbon fiber accents, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting elevate the bespoke feel, while Mansory branding on the steering wheel, seats, and illuminated door sills reinforces its exclusivity. Under the hood, a heavily tuned twin-turbo V8 produces around 780 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, launching the RS Q8 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds. With an estimated price of $420,000, the Mansory Audi RS Q8 perfectly blends brutal performance, bold styling, and handcrafted luxury. Number 2. Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venatus SP 900. Finished in a striking gloss, emerald green metallic shade paired with a contrasting black roof, this Urus instantly stands out on camera. Forged carbon elements dominate the design, including the aggressive widebody fenders, massive front air intakes, vented carbon hood, and sharply sculpted side skirts. The rear looks equally dramatic with an oversized carbon diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a large roof-mounted rear wing that adds both presence and aerodynamic aggression. Sitting on 23-inch forged wheels, the Venatus SP 900 has an unmistakably bold and muscular stance. Mansory built only 8 units of this version, making it extremely rare worldwide. Inside, the cabin reflects the same bespoke character seen on the exterior. The interior features striking magic turquoise, Tiffany blue, leather seats, paired with Alcantara panels, contrast stitching, exposed carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that elevates the luxury feel. Mansory branding appears across the steering wheel, pedals, seats, and door sills, reinforcing its handcrafted exclusivity. Every surface is tailored to feel both sporty and luxurious. Powering this beast is a heavily tuned twin-turbo V8 producing around 900 horsepower, allowing the Urus Venatus SP 900 to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds. With an estimated price of around $450,000, this Mansory Lamborghini Urus perfectly blends extreme performance, bold design, and ultra-rare exclusivity. Number 1. Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the ultimate expression of luxury, power, and exclusivity. Finished in a striking white exterior with extensive forged carbon accents, it features a redesigned front apron with integrated LED elements, a sculpted carbon fiber hood, and sleek side skirts that flow seamlessly into a rear carbon diffuser. The rear design is equally commanding, highlighted by quad exhaust outlets, a bold bumper, and signature Mansory detailing, all sitting on massive 24-inch forged wheels. Produced in extremely limited numbers, this Mansory Cullinan stands among the rarest and most desirable luxury SUVs in the world. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of bespoke craftsmanship. Diamond-stitched leather seats, hand-finished carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and Mansory branding across the steering wheel, pedals, and door sills create an atmosphere of pure opulence. Every detail reflects the balance between Rolls-Royce elegance and Mansory's bold design philosophy. Under the hood, the tuned V12 produces around 720 horsepower and 1,050 Newton-meters of torque, launching this luxury SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.8 seconds. With a price tag close to $650,000, the Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not just an SUV, it is a statement of wealth, power, and exclusivity. If you loved seeing these ultra-exclusive machines, don't miss our next video on the top 10 most expensive cars in the world, where we see what money can truly buy at the highest level of luxury and performance. Click now and experience the extreme side of automotive excellence.